Lovely sunshine at the beach as well. Famous one over here is open already. It's to come here during the week in this period. And we're nearly there. Port Benidorm Hotel. Good morning here from Benidorm. Our morning, it's 11:30. Currently we're starting over here at the Avenida, Filipinas. Today will be a nice day, 25 degrees, 26 almost. And the rest of the week will be around 22, so a little colder as usual. But of course temperatures will rise again afterwards. Most people are still getting breakfast somewhere. Sandwiches at the supermarket. First few are here already for a drink. And another few are soaking up the sunshine already. On this one of the beautiful streets in Benidorm with all the palm trees lined on the side. Back there got a Golden Arcos Hotel and Presidente on the right. Currently most bars over here are closed. This famous one over here is open already. Thankfully there's a more normal version on the other side. The Brit Station opened this year, sorry, not last year. And has been popular since its opening. Normal prices for drinks, normal music. And it's nice, fresh and clean. And one of the most important things, friendly staff. We are gonna head over towards the other side of the Avenida Filipinas, and that is where Levante Beach is. And Tiki Beach as well. Probably quite busy already out there as the sun is definitely here and it is warm. And the other bars at this area will open a bit later, of course, as it's not even afternoon yet. But it won't take long, stuff is already there. Some places the music is playing already, like over here at Miller's. There are even a few people in there already. And there we have it, the Tiki Beach. Music's playing, drinks are flowing. And the crowds are getting in. Busy morning already. And the same goes for next door at Cayman. Lovely sunshine at the beach as well. And we can even see some people parasailing up there. And you know what more we can see right now over here on the beach? Drinks being served. Got a nice fresh breeze out this morning, and that is actually quite dangerous, as right now you could get sunburned very, very quickly, because it makes it even more bearable to be out here on the beach in the sun. Well, there are still a decent amount of people over here in Benidorm. It isn't that busy anymore as last last weekend, due to most people heading home already on Monday, and probably they'll return again, new tourists, on Thursday, to make a long weekend out of here on this paradise. But unfortunately for them, Thursday is the day when, for now on, is forecasted for rain. Probably not that much, and I hope just in the morning or anything, so we won't impact most of our day with it. But there is some rain coming up. And I would recommend, if you're not tied to the weekends, to come here during the week in this period. As you can see, you've got the whole beach almost to yourself. And over there at the bars, there's still enough room left. Not overly crowded, but enough people to make it having a good time over here. And still everything is open. You just get a little better experience, in my opinion. Over here, got the Sol Beach, where they charge $2.50 for a pint, which is pretty cheap for a ride on the beach. As usually, prices over here are around €3 or $3.50, maybe $4, depending where you go. So $2.50 for a pint in a sort of tropical bar, definitely not expensive. Oh, it's even possible to get them cheaper over here. Little Bob's, €2 only. Also worth noting, bars like these also got some good offers mostly. If you're here with friends and you want to share a sangria and a quick bite with it, 1 liter and a portion of chips for just €14. Even back here at the end of the Levante Beach in the Rincon area, enough space left as yesterday and the day before. This was completely packed, and right now it's almost like you got all the place to yourself. Some more bars over here. And those people back there getting their money's worth, they're still up there in the sky. And this is the part of the beach where it gets sunny a bit later, but we still can see quite a few people out here already. Over there at the Stag and Pheasant. Okay, so yesterday night, during our live stream, they did clean the complete area of the beach over here with filtering the sand and everything with the big, how do you call it, tractors or anything. And they completely cleaned this area of all the seaweed. But as you can see, due to the wind coming out of the ocean right now, it is all coming to this part over here of Benidorm. And this is where it's all collecting right now. And oh man, this is a lot that is over here. Hopefully they'll clean it again tonight or else the day afterwards, and if not, the rest of the beach is clean. So over here, this area, we could feel quite some wind. We're gonna check out these bars over here, like the Grand National, before we're gonna head on towards the Port Benidorm Hotel to see how far they are with construction, as that one is going really fast lately. Got the Grand National, and you're perfect here, right out of the wind, in the sunshine. And we can see loads of people are enjoying it over here. But let's continue, as the Port Benidorm Hotel is over here on our left side. And we're nearly there. Port Benidorm Hotel is right across the triangle bar over there on the left. Let's head up this hill a bit so we can get a better overview. On this area on the back of side of the new tower, they're gonna build an extra pool over here. But of course, first they need this space for the construction crew, for the cranes and everything. And afterwards, when that is done, the tower itself, they're gonna start on the extra pool that is coming there. And from back here it is clearly visible. The tower is rising above the old one already. Just a few more floors to go. And that is also where I want to end today's Benidorm update with. If you like it, please do give a like, as it greatly promotes my videos and I really appreciate it. If you didn't like it, let me know in the comments what you'd like to see different the next time, or maybe you'd like to see some different areas or anything. Please let me know so we could go there. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of me and over here on the Benidorm channel. And I hope to see you next time. Have a great day, everyone.